nobody else sees. Only Jesus can give lasting peace. This generation is searching for answers everywhere except the one who created them. Jesus is not just a historical figure. He is the Savior of the world. He is the healer of broken hearts. He is the hope for every hurting soul. No matter what your past looks like, God's grace is greater. No matter how far you have fallen, His mercy can restore you. Today, Jesus is inviting you into a life of peace, purpose, and eternal hope. I encourage you to choose Jesus today. Jesus will never fail you. Jesus will never let you down. Jesus is close to you. Jesus is reaching out to you, and I encourage you to reach back out to Him. He is waiting for you. He won't wait forever because He is soon to come, and He's coming back for those who are ready. It is my hope, it is my prayer that we will all be ready for the Lord's return. God richly bless you. Thank you so much for listening.